in the surrounding, their states and properties. In that next point is freezing. In previous video we have learned about boiling. Now today's our point is freezing. The water kept in a freezer or on a ice become cooler and cooler. That is, its temperature falls. At a certain temperature, water does not get any cooler but start freezing and forms ice. Means suppose we kept water in a freezer area. First water cools down. After some time ice starts making. The temperature at which this happens is called the freezing point of water. Freezing point means what? Ice become started. That is called as freezing point. The temperature of a substance can fall below 0 degree Celsius. For example, the temperature of air in the freezer of a refrigerator is around minus 18 degree Celsius. Means temperature in freezer is minus 18 degree Celsius. It is read as minus. This is minus sign 18 and this sign read as degree Celsius. When ice gets heat, it starts melting or changes into the liquid state again. Suppose you take a cube of ice and put it outside of a fridge. You will see after some time that the shape of ice goes on small and after some time you will see the water. Means that ice is melted and ice is a solid state and it's converted into water. Water means in liquid state. Means their state is what? Changes. Ice is solid. After melting, water is liquid state. Ice melts at 0 degree. It means that freezing point and melting point of water are one and the same. Means ice freezing होने कब लगता है 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस को और उसका melting point भी same. Each substance has a specific boiling point which is also its condensation point. Each substance has a specific melting point which is the same as it is freezing point. Means each substance has specific melting point which is the same as it is freezing point. Means their melting point and freezing point is same. The temperature at which a substance boils while heating is the same as the temperature at which it cools when it is cooled. Similarly, the temperature at which a substance freezes while cooling is the same as the temperature at which it melts when it heated. Various uses of changes in a physical state. See, there are 6 examples are given. First, candles are made by melting paraffin wax. Means see, in this picture, candle is showing. Candle is made from melting paraffin wax. मीन जो कैंडल है वो वैक्स से बनाते हैं और वो वैक्स क्या हो जाता है? मेल्ट होता है. सेकेंड, सॉलिड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मीन्स ड्राई आइस. Solid carbon dioxide is also called as a dry ice. Is used to make ice cream and to keep it frozen. Means dry ice is used to make ice cream and it kept frozen. Means dry ice helps the ice cream very cold. Suppose if you touch the dry ice, अगर आपने गलती से ड्राई आइस को टच किया तो आपके हाथ थोड़ी सी जल जाएगी. थर्ड, liquid liquid nitrogen is used in animal husbandry. Husbandry means farming work. Husbandry means farming work. Sandy means silicon is melted to make glass. Means silicon melts, and from that melting silicon making glass. See here, glass picture is also given. How glass are making? They are melting silicon and after that they make a glass. Next, metals like gold and silver are melted to make ornaments. Ornaments means gehne. Means goldsmith. Goldsmith means sonar. What they are doing? They are melting silver and golden, and after melting silver and golden they are making different types or different design of ornaments. Next, iron is melted to make tools. All of you know iron means lokhand. They are melting that, and from that they are using different tools. For example, windows, doors, etc.